little bit thick on this one. And I'm not putting a top coat on this yet because I will. Oh, nice. Okay. Here I have some gold foil. Oh, sorry. See, it's gonna turn out. All right. Flash here for me, 30 seconds. When you do have a client secure this, you want to make sure they'll rock back and forth. All right. No, I want this on this. Right about nails. She said pick, and then she said no. You know, that is a tip and tricks. If all of you here that is a nail tech, it's great. I will share your tip and trick. But if any of you who are our clients are watching it, just having fun, just ignore it, because you know it's what is the routine. Because I always ask them to pick, but then at least I give them an option to pick, but it doesn't mean they can get what they want. But they get the right to pick, so I always make sure that I respect that. I said you have the right to like really pick with us, but doesn't mean you get everything you want. So they say I know, it's good, because we always want the best for them, you know. Just think about nails. So just a tip and trick when you do, and then our clients know it so well. They're so amazing. They was like, okay, good, okay, at least I got to pick. And okay, I'm hitting everything. So I'm gonna put this. Okay, sorry. Condensed glue gel again, everyone. It's not in my spot right here, but I'm applying condensed glue gels again, thin coat. All right, sorry, I'm gonna move it. Just tap a little bit on. This one's fun though, because now we are going to place some pot leaves in there. Oh no, what colors you pick? Again, asking a client, but don't pick silver, pick something bright. No, because there's so many colors over here now, I'm asking a client again, she got to pick.
Okay,
Alright,
we'll take the pink one.
Pink one? Everybody want pink one? We have so many cool ones here.
It's a lot of colors in there though.
It's gonna fit in there. If not, I'm gonna trim just a little bit. Let's see.
Actually, that's look real cool.
It's cool though. Okay, straight. I can cap, hold, and tie this one. All right. Oh, good. You like? Good. Now you put just flash here for 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds.
Okay.
Created by Lisa. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. It is the special thick density is glue gels for crystal placement, charm, chains, and all the accessory that you could do it on your nails. So it's really thick density and it will last your crystal placements, your charms, your chains, everything is up to 3 weeks. And also we're gonna using a precision glue in just a second when we're doing all the nails. This one I rub it off. What's the other
pretty
one?
much the
I have this.
trifecta.
Yeah, the trifecta. So
holds
if you
it
can
the
get me the
best.
trifecta there. So this one will going back and double secures everything. Like for instance, on the edges that where the clients have the really nice C curve, we're gonna seal every single like cracks right here. So then that way she will never get chance to like stuck in her hairs. So the condensed glue gels, no white top coat, and trifectas as bestie together that will help to adhere the perfect crystals in one place. So this one, the trifecta I'm talking about. If you have to get one item from this, it's a special price we created for you, special for you. And then this is have the condensed glue gels, no wipe top coat and precision glue. So this will, and also you receive your one of extra of your mega mix crystals, different sizes, different colors. So and then also you get the special Memorial Day weekend sales going on at 20% off, and you're using a code Mika T MEKAT to get free shipping of $79 or more in on US shipping. All right. Did you do this one May City, and this one I did it on the IGTV. You can view that, sweetie. All right, so let's see what's going on with this beautiful nails. We got the clients that pick out, and I fulfill her because she picked the pink one. So now I'm gonna encapsulate, making like a 3-dimension look. You saw some of my picture, but then I was told like, what's that? Mikael's Ali is really cool. I'm able to encapsulating the newest sticker. Like I'm gonna show you. Oh, right here is the newest color in the back. Like a frames for. No, the right here, the newest one. Maybe on the back here. Can you grab it? Sorry. Alright, so my condensed glue gels again is a little bit fun to doing this just in case for all of you who want to build the frames for the newest. No, the newest like flowers and beaches and everything. So I'm gonna do it again just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And with this one, right, you coat another condensed glue gels on. And then the top coat to seal that. It looked like a picture frame. CDB leaves in the middle. Is that right? Yes. Yes, Sonia.
We have a green one too,
We have
but they want neon.
Oh, the neon. But we also have this, just to your information. This is really cool. Is the glitter set, second anniversary glitter set. It's so excited. All different 10 different dragon scales, and also you have your pot leaves in traditional green. I can't wait to create this one.
It's pretty.
It is so much fun, and unicorn glitters and all sort of thing. And then you have 10 different dragon scale. You have 8 different. No, I'm sorry. 9 different glitters, the most like popular throughout the years, and then you have all different like occasions, and then you have your crystal mix, mega mix in different sizes and different shapes. So then it helps to support and create a lot of different looks for your dragon scales. And then that is special kits. It's come with your precision glue, your condensed glue 5G, your crystal pickers, and your scoop and tray. It's special, and then you get to able to use it with your 20% off a Memorial Day weekend. So that will take your kid to amazing price. I don't know how long it take you to make this all like using the mob, but for sure that it's worth your investment. All right, so that before we key it again, I am going to using a top coat, and we're gonna put the top coat right on the top of this. See it? It looks like it's so stunning. It looks 3D. It looks cool though. All right, here, 60 seconds on that one. You have to see in person. It looks so stunning. But if you're using the radiant shape, the frame, this frame, if you're using this one, right here, you can place like more than one like leaves on it.
Yep.
You probably seen me did several different look with this frame. Sarah did that too. It's really cool and stunning. So I don't know. I can't wait to do more. And you can also do this shape with drop.
We'll put a shard in
The
there
heart,
too.
the shard right there too. Oh, the
Or
shard
the
is
drop.
the drop on the top of the drop.
No, inside of, I think this one here.
You know what? You can do this frame, this drop too.
Perfect.
Yeah, it fit. It's designed to be fit. If not fit, we'll make it fit. We'll make it happen. All right, so we'll have fun with this. Okay, let me see. It's so cool. It looks like a picture frame. It's so stunning. All right, you feel this. Feel that, Mika. So smooth.
Oh, that's really smooth.
Okay, hold on. Let me move it. You can see that how shiny it is, this one. Look at this. It's look like a 3D. You have to see in person. It looks so cool in person. It's hard to doing it like because of lighting. Okay, let me tilt it down like that. You can see that. And it's so shiny. It's fun. It's just for fun. They want to go home. It's a Friday. Okay. Is that Friday? What is that Friday?
Oh no.
Oh. Today is
in like another hour.
all right. So let just this one finishing, and then we are good to go with this hand. And I'm gonna go back to my condensed glue gel again. Okay, this fun time is over with that leaves. No, it's not cute though. It's in. Can I get my? Where the press on now? Oh, that's a great idea. All right, my condensed glue gels again. You can just leave it alone.
Just leave it alone. I like put like a strip of metal down it.
Huh?
Just like that, stand pretty good on its own.
I'm gonna put just couple nails in, a couple beads in. I'm sorry. What am I talking about?
Yeah, just put like a metal.
No, is this a drop?
Not even there's only even a quick strip of metal. Okay.
That's a power nails. Okay, that's all it needs. No white chocolate. And we're gonna put it on top of this.
Well, you can just tuck it on in here.
No, I do nothing so. I want to do something fun with it. My nails. I try to make it less mess and I'll make it more messy.